How are you guys? Well, to everybody, we got to cooking today. We got to cooking hummus because there is one friend of us asking for hummus. Hummus is very simple. El hummus es muy fácil y es parte de la comida mediterránea. Hummus is very simple and is the base of the Mediterranean food. What happened with that? Where come from the hummus? The hummus are the year 1300 years ago. The history and people that know a little bit more about the Middle East food say that the hummus come from Egypt. And then from Egypt extended to other Arabic countries and all the Mediterranean. Of course, if you ask the Greek people go to say that it's from Greece. And the Turkey, the Lebanese and the Syria and Palestinian and Israel. But the hummus is one of the best food they have all the Mediterranean and all the Middle East. And it's very simple to do. Okay, number one, I got to send it there. You got to see the recipe and the screen. Well, you got to put chickpeas. You can buy it dry, boil it, peel it. It's a lot of work. Or you can buy it already in the can, like me. I do in the can. I'm very honest. Don't have any different. And I'm making around 4 cups of peas. Then you have to tell Tajini. When you're making and buy the Tajini, it's a paste. The Tajini is a paste, and you have to move very well to mix it because it's oil and the paste of Tajini. What is Tajini? Tajini is the paste that comes from the sesame seed, from las semillitas de sésamo, is the Tajini. Then you make it like that, and for more or less for this, we got to add 1 spoon of Tajini to my peas. It's not cheap, but you can find something very good. Here we have already warmed up for my pita bread. Then I need lime, around 2 limes. You got to put very easy 2 limes. This one, remember my squeezer of my mom. Okay. So it's this. Then looking at how long time we gonna make it. This is 1, and we're going to make it half a more, but we don't go to add it right now. Then a little bit of cumin. Really? Where we open? Oh, a little bit of cumin, more or less like a pinch. I don't want to have the flavor more or less, like a pinch. Tahini. Garlic, we got to use the same garlic that we used before, that you have the recipe already. But look at what we got to do. Like I need to use just the garlic. I'm going to use 1 tablespoon of the garlic that I have here. And that's it. This hummus that we're going to make right now is just a plain hummus, the natural hummus. We can add a roasted pepper, we can add a little bit of, we can make it with cucumber, we can make it with spinach. This one I got to put a little bit of parsley, okay, and olive oil. We more or less to use like a 3/4 If we use that one, we go to more or less like a 3/4 cup of olive oil. You make it in the processor. Close the processor and make it. We have to make it one texture, creamy, nice, beautiful. And we're going to add a little bit of salt. Now we're going to try, but we're going to add a little bit of salt. A little bit of salt. And we're going to see how it's in line. Okay? Before to make another thing. But the processor got to be ready at 1 minute. 1 minute. I like to do like that because I like it that you see in the real time how is this. You know what? A little bit of more lime. A little bit more olive oil. And that's it. If we want roasted peppers, we go to add roasted peppers at this moment. But I don't want to. I have peppers to roast or make it, but I want to make it something simple. If you have a roasted pepper already in cans, you can use those ones and you can add the roasted peppers. We can use paprika inclusive. We can use a lot of things. But right now, it is plain this. Perfect. Fantastic. What are we going to do right now? We'll take this one out. Is delicious. It's something that you can use for your visit. It's not expensive. It's inexpensive. Well, the only thing that is a little bit more expensive is the Tajini. Okay, you can find in many of the supers, or you can find in many of the Middle East stores. We making our hummus here. I got to put my pita bread right now, and this hummus don't need too much decoration. Make it like that. We got to put a little bit more olive oil. Remember, olive oil never is too much. Never is too much. You can add. I have a lot of friends from Syria and Lebanon, and the hummus add mint. And this time I don't want to add mint, but you can mint. We got to make it for decoration like that. And we got to use this condiment here that is very nice. It is beautiful. I will show you, but I need something very little to add it. You see my pita bread? I burned the first one. This is too hot. I prepare it too much. I take it down. You can make it. You can buy the packets of pita bread like me. But you can also make a pita bread. Another class I got to show you how making pita bread, how making naan. Well, how is the difference on the pita bread and naan? But right now, take it this is sumac. And this one condiment that come in all the Middle East. I have one chicken making with sumac. Chicken, it is fantastic. Next, I will making one recipe. That one is from Syria, and a lot of places making like in Palestine too, in Egypt. But this one is our hummus, and we will try it. Wow, look at this. Why? Why? I am the only guy in the food industry they give you to the cameraographer and share the cameraographer in the moment. Because she's my manager. You thinking if I don't give it to her? Oh my God. Guys, this one is fantastic. Guys, all the next videos, some we got to make it live, many more we got to record it and post it on Facebook. But please come to visit my YouTube channel. We are right now in our YouTube channel. The name is Chef Tito de Dios. Chef Tito de Dios. De Dios is my last name. De Dios, okay? And De Dios is D-E-D-I-O-S. Chef Tito de Dios. Come to our YouTube channel, making this happen, help it to us, make it like, share, and subscribe to our channel. We're going to making a lot of recipes more for all Middle East, from Europe, for the 1800s. Then, well, thank you very much. I want to say, I love you guys. Take care of yourself. Be healthy. Working a lot at home right now. And cooking from where? From here. From your heart. Thank you very much. I love you. I love you. One kiss to my daughter, my son, and the people that help to us all the time. Thank you very much. I love you. Michonne, I love you.
I love you too.
Ciao.
Ciao.
Beautiful.